Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel dear viewers. In front of me Honor Magic 5 Lite 5G device, and now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So firstly, remember the ban rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB port. So I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly, you need to rotate your device, and if you have the cover, you need to take it out. Then insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out in this way. So toothbrush is the best tool to clean the connector. So your brush needs to be dry, completely dry, not wet, but dry. So insert it and just brush the dust and debris out. Cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.